Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can edit a pic in Google Photos. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Photos and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. There is the Photos section, Memories, Library, and lastly the Search section. So in order to edit a picture, firstly go to the photo section, then search for the picture you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to edit this one. So go ahead and click on it, and then right here in the bottom, you're going to find share, edit, lens, and delete. Go ahead and click on edit, and then you're going to be taken to this page. So basically guys, once you're here, you're going to find a lot of options and tools that you will uh, use to edit your picture. So right here in suggestions, you're gonna find some templates that you can use. As you can see guys, here this says dynamic, enhance, pivot, and so on. You can go also to crop. Right here, you're gonna find all of the crop tools that you will need. And you can also rotate your photo and so on. Here in tools, as you can see guys, you're gonna find some tools. In adjust, you can adjust your brightness, your contrast, HDR effect, white points, and so on. And right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find filters, markup, and more, some more options right here. So basically guys, once you edit your picture, just go ahead and click on save copy in the bottom right corner, and then all of your changes will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.